everyone, it's Hannah again from RP Studios. If you don't know what RP Studios is, it is a channel that's dedicated to art how-tos, tutorials, DIY, and anything else that is creative. Alright, let's get into today's video. Oh my god, guys, it's finally here! I ordered the FabFitFun box for the first edition of DIY out of subscription box items. So I've gotten subscription boxes before, but sometimes there's items you don't really like. So what I'm going to do is for the items that I'm not so sure on, I am going to have to make a DIY item or items out of the original things in the box that I wasn't so happy about, or just if I have an idea in general, I'm going to make something out of it. Alright, so let's get into the box. I have not opened it yet. I want it to be a surprise because I kind of want to have to think on the fly here. Right. Alright, so on top there is a magazine that I think has everything in it, but set that aside. Nice tissue paper. Great. So it looks like the first thing in here is Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Now I've seen these in a lot of unboxings of this box. So just little eye masks to moisturize your eyes. I'm not sure if I'd be able to turn this into a DIY, but we'll see. So that's the first thing. Next, so I had the option to choose some of the items in my box, and I chose a mystery choice. So there were some other options, and then there was a mystery option, and I chose the mystery option. Now this is a Dermalect Cosmetics Sleep Serum. Apparently what you're supposed to do is apply to your cleansed skin and allow for the serum to absorb. No need to wash off. Let's see what this baby looks like. I'm kind of curious. Ooh, alright. Very serum-like. I've never tried a serum before. But maybe this bottle could be turned into a DIY. I'm not sure. Other item in the mystery choice is a deep exfoliating mitt. Visibly removes dead skin instantly. So I guess what this is you take it in the shower or bath with you, and you turn the water off, squeeze away any excess water from the mitt, and leave mitt slightly damp. You exfoliate around your face and skin using vigorous up and downward motion until you see dead skin cells roll away. Apply pressure for optimal results, and repeat. Next we have Skinvolve Body Boost Gel Stimulant. And what this is apparently, before any workout, apply to trouble areas like the abs, glutes, thighs, and arms in small circular motions and let the tingling begin. That's interesting. So it seems to be soothing for workouts or just help you be stimulated when you work out. Cool. Next in here is Bobble Bar earrings. Those are super beautiful. I love the way those look. Oh my goodness, those are amazing. I will definitely be wearing those. No DIY for these, that's for sure. After that, we have a Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. Cool, so it's a cream you put on your hair before you blow dry it or flat iron it or whatever you want, and it's from Aveda. And then there's a Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle. What it is lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Humankind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. So it seems like it's a type of lotion. Here looks like something I could do a DIY with. Alright. If I could open it, that would be great. This is a Kate Spade lunchbox. I've seen these being unboxed on other channels, and I'm wondering like if I could turn this into something else, because this seems like something that would be very great to do a DIY with. Yeah, if you open it up here, it's pretty roomy on the inside. I don't know. I don't really bring my lunch anywhere, so I don't know if I'd need a lunch bag. But it is nice. It says out to lunch. Alright, and the last thing in here is called Juice Cleanse. Exfoliating sugar cubes. You take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. You're supposed to use it twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering for the body only. Yeah, don't eat those guys. So I'm thinking that I could definitely also do something with this little jar the cubes come in, because it's honestly a really nice jar. It has like a metal top and plastic siding. Cool. Alright, I'll definitely have to do something with that one. And just a ton of packaging. Alright, so I'll have to think about what to DIY this. Oh my god, okay, so these cubes smell amazing. Oh my god, they're like a cucumber, melony type, I don't know. They smell amazing though. Like I feel like honestly all you would have to do is like just scrub the top, leave it in a room, and oh my god, it would smell amazing. Alright, for this body wash gel, I want to see if I actually feel, well, I guess it would help if I took off the seal first. Let's see if this actually causes tingling. So that'll be It does have a very strong, like, eucalyptus minty smell. I don't mind. I don't mind it, but it's kind of strong. But my airlines are definitely clear now from the mintiness. Body souffle. I'm really interested to see what this is like. Okay, there is a safety seal on it. Safe. No, this doesn't really smell like too much, honestly. Very soft. But that actually does smell really good. It's not a strong smell, but it is nice. This is like a whole box about pampering yourself, honestly. If you're one of those people who like to pamper themselves, which is everyone. Here's what this hair treatment stuff. Oh, that smells good too. That smells good too. I'm not gonna use it right now because my hair's already dry. And let me do a try on real quick of these earrings. The hanging back, they're not like attached or anything, but that's okay. I like hanging earrings. Oh, not really. Oh, I get it now. So you can kind of lift the back and then you can push it into place once you get it crawling up your ear, kinda. I think I put these on the wrong ear too. Hold on. That looks way better. That's cool. Ooh, yeah, look at it. Oh my god. Very beautiful. I love these ear crawlers. I'm gonna wear these a lot, honestly. It looks like really elegant and adds so much, and it's just an earring. Oh my god, I just love these so much. Cool, these are cool. These are super cool. I'm gonna try some of this serum here. I've actually never tried the serum before. Ooh, it feels very nice and cooling on the skin. I know this is a whole DIY video, but honestly, these products are very nice too. Alright, let me see what this mitt is all about. It looks like those things that they put on babies' hands so they can't scratch themselves. Like one of those cool dog brushing gloves. And lastly, let's try out the eye masks. I've seen these in tons of videos, but I've actually never tried them. So let's try these out. Oh yeah. Blinding. I feel like this could just like be the new trend. You're trying over here. Alright. No. Alright. I did not read the directions on these, but I'm assuming you leave these on for a certain amount of time. And then you look like a football player. What's not to love? Okay, so I think what I'm actually gonna do is use the box itself because it is kind of cool looking. I'm going to paint part of it, leave part of the pattern in, and I'm going to actually attach it to my wall and use it as like a tiny shelf that I can put something else on that I will be using this to incorporate as well. Alright, so what I did is I actually cut the top off of the box right there, as you can see. So now that all is left is this cool inside pattern. And now I'm going to, sorry, and now I'm actually going to line this with some fabric I have laying around, and then I'm going to put it on my wall and add the cool little decorative jar to it to make a little beauty organizer for my bathroom. Alright everyone, just before I forget, I need to let you know, if you use the code FALL10, HARVEST10, not FALL10, and click the link below in the description, you can get $10 off of your first box from FabFitFun, and I am a FabFitFun affiliate. This is not sponsored by them or anything, but yeah, if you use my code, I will get, or you will get, $10 off of your first box. So it's a really good deal. So instead of $49.99, it'll be $39.99. So yeah, go ahead and do that down below in the description. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big like and don't forget to subscribe. My Instagram is artbestudiosUS and my website is artbestudios.weebly.com. So don't forget to check those out either. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.